Attention all Amazon sellers. Get ready for an incredible success story that will leave you inspired and amazed. Meet Pradeep Kumar Sasitharan, a seasoned Amazon seller who faced a daunting infringement claim that had his business in a month-long turmoil. Today we'll take you on a thrilling journey of how Pradeep triumphed over the challenge with the help of Amazon seller's lawyer. As experienced sellers, Pradeep and his team were no strangers to the various infringement claims on the platform. But this particular claim proved to be the ultimate test, lasting for weeks with no resolution in sight. Even their past expertise and usual consultants and law firms couldn't crack the code. But then a ray of hope emerged when they reached out to the renowned Amazon seller's lawyer team. Despite the geographical distance, as Pradeep was based in the UK, the firm immediately responded with an international phone call, emails, and a comprehensive plan of action. In Pradeep's own words, he says, "We won our case within 4 working days since first contacting the firm. It's astonishing how swiftly Amazon seller's lawyer turned things around." The professionalism and experience displayed by the team left Pradeep with newfound confidence. With a clear outline of the issues at hand and appeal documents provided, they knew they were in capable hands. And even when the first appeal got rejected, the firm had other strategies up their sleeves and knew exactly who to contact to win the case. Pradeep's testimony leaves no doubt that Amazon seller's lawyer is the real deal. A team of seasoned veterans you can trust. Their outstanding work and dedication to getting the job done are undeniable. So, fellow Amazon sellers, if you ever find yourself caught in a legal battle or facing an infringement claim that seems insurmountable, don't hesitate to turn to Amazon seller's lawyer. With our professionalism and experience, we'll fight tooth and nail to protect your business and get you back on track. Don't face Amazon's challenges alone. Visit AmazonSellersLawyer.com now, send your case, and our amazing team will tackle your Amazon business problems together. Click the link, subscribe, and hit the bell for more success stories and expert advice. Your success is our mission. Take charge of your Amazon business today with Amazon Seller's Lawyer. Let's conquer those challenges together.